Once, in a time long ago, there lived a young man named Wei, who sought to prove himself worthy in the eyes of his master, Li. One day, Master Li summoned Wei to his chamber and entrusted him with a small, smooth stone. "Take this stone," Master Li instructed.
"Climb to the peak of the highest mountain. There, you will understand its significance."
Eager to demonstrate his worth, Wei embarked on the daunting journey, scaling rocky cliffs and traversing treacherous paths. He faced challenges that tested his resolve. With each step, the stone grew heavier, weighing down his spirits. After days of relentless climbing, Wei finally reached the summit. Exhausted and breathless, clutching the stone in his trembling hands, he awaited enlightenment. But as he stood atop the mountain, gazing at the vast expanse below, Wei had a realization. The stone symbolized the burdens he carried: fear, doubt, and insecurity that had weighed him down on his path to enlightenment. With newfound clarity, Wei understood that true liberation came not from conquering external challenges, but from conquering the doubts and fears within himself. In a moment of profound realization, Wei let go of the stone, releasing the weight of his burden. Free from the shackles of his own insecurities, he embraced the journey ahead with courage and determination, ready to face whatever challenges lay in his path. And as he descended from the mountain, Wei carried with him the wisdom gained from his journey of enlightenment.
Wei's journey taught him that true liberation comes from conquering internal struggles. By releasing the burden symbolized by the stone, he embraced his inner strength and faced the future with courage and wisdom.